How to fix Flow AI could not generate video. This error is usually caused by overloaded servers, unsupported uploads, or a failed render request. So you should try these in order. First, simply refresh the page and try again. Sometimes the render server just fails randomly. Second, make the prompt simpler. Make sure you avoid very long prompts, too many scene changes, complex camera movements, and copyrighted character names. Third, re-upload your image or video and use JPEG or PNG, a smaller file size, and standard aspect ratios. You can do this in practically any website. I just typed in reduce PNG file size. Now let's just select files, and here you go. Before it was 853 kilobytes, now it's 323. Now the other thing that you can try is to remove cache data. So here, right next to the link, there's this icon that you click cookies and site data, click this arrow right here, and simply delete them and reload. Now do that again, but now go to site settings and just delete this data. And there you go. You will need to log in again, but it should fix your issues. Now if it still doesn't work, try using another browser. So I'm using Brave right now. I'm gonna try using Chrome. Now, if nothing works, just wait and try later. If Flow AI servers are overloaded, nothing on your device may fix it temporarily. Users have reported the error disappearing after 10 to 30 minutes after just waiting. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And as always, see you in the next video.